Welcome to Sintech Pumps, where innovation meets excellence in pump manufacturing. At Sintech, our unique infrastructure positions us to meet the dynamic demands of the market while ensuring the highest quality and volume. Located in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, our state-of-the-art facilities are designed to handle diverse product groups with precision. Unit 1 spans 10,000 square yards, with 7,000 square yards covered and a dedicated team of 250-plus employees driving our vision forward. Unit 2, our specialized wing, covers 3,000 square yards with 2,500 square yards utilized for production, manned by 18 skilled professionals. Our pumps are manufactured and tested to meet international standards, ensuring reliability and efficiency. With modular structures and high interchangeability, our pumps are designed to reduce spares inventory and enhance operational efficiency. Quality is our priority. Every pump from Sintech is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Join the ranks of satisfied clients powered by Sintech Pumps. Experience the difference of unmatched quality and innovation. Ready to elevate your operations with Sintech Pumps? Contact us today.